fixed it.
All right, they can hear everything you're saying.
All right. Am I helping you? Happy Easter, everybody. I can see the fuzzball. Like, is there a way to adjust this?
You can put it on the side if you want, or like right here, but it might hear your stuff. You can put it on your shirt. Oh, that was. Oh, it's Kevin.
Hi. How you doing?
Hey, buddy.
We are sponsored by Simply Safe, everybody.
Give me a kiss.
It's always the
IEOU.
intro. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. This is Joe.
I'm Hunter.
Today, we are finally going to work on the thing that caused my demise at Bristol. Not really. I'm just a trash driver.
Yeah, I don't think it was the power steer, pal. It would help that.
The power steering went out when we first got the car, really. It never had any. But on the way to Bristol, we burnt a wire, or actually just a line, right?
Yeah, the spark wire line.
No, I'm talking about the power steering line. That guy right here.
Oh, yeah.
How we melted that down right
The
before
main
we
supply
left.
line.
Yeah, so at Bristol, we fixed it. But, of course, the power steering pump was actually leaking, so it didn't last for long, and now we have none at all, which really helped whenever we were driving to the school and then lost power on the way back. So, today we're going to be replacing that. Nice little 10 to 15-minute video, hopefully get something out of it, and from there we will start taking everything apart. Right?
Let's get after it.
Okay, Hunter took off immediately. He's going to go do something else in the house. I am going to stick around. So today we're going to be pulling off this pump, which means we got to disconnect this line and then one that's right there behind it. You can't really see it on camera. In the end, we got to take this pulley off and all that. But for that, you need a pulley puller and also an installer for afterwards. So I think it was 2 weeks ago now, we went to Harbor Freight and got a cheap one. Could you stop doing that for like 30 seconds?
Yeah. Sorry.
All right, guys, after about 30 minutes of work, something like that, after about 30 minutes of work, I've got the pulley out. You saw that on the GoPro, and our power steering pump is out.
You're good, dude. You're good. You're good.
Look at it.
You're good. You have a leak.
Yeah, so that is the old one. Give me a second, and I will do an unboxing of the new one. Actually, Hunter, you want to open the new one?
Here you got hot.
Oh, yeah, we should probably fix that problem. She worked for a long time. All right, tell us what we got here, Hunter.
We have a power steering pump.
Uh-huh.
In the bag. Hey, it works. We're good. Brand new. Without the cap. All right, cool. Yeah.
Yeah, I think that was the one problem.
Sold
that we
separately.
need to buy a new cap, yeah.
Nah, we're good. Just leave that there. You said you needed a pump, not fluid, so. That looks brand new. Look at there. Top notch. Sponsored by Warranty. All right, guys. Well, we're gonna hit it hard. We're gonna knock this out. It's really just Joe.
Yeah,
Joe's-
we're not gonna do anything. Hunter's gonna go back to cutting his grass and making noise in the background. Give me that.
I'm gonna straight pipe my mower.
I'm gonna straight pipe my motor. All right. Set up a GoPro again, and we'll get that installed.
I'm gonna do it just to mess up your videos. You're just... Hey, how's it going?
I wish I had a mic on you at all times. All right, guys. After a brief moment, all you have to do is really just put those bolts back on, slap the power steering lines on, both that one and that one, and then use your pulley installer to do that. Really, I didn't measure this. It's eyeballed, which, Hunter, when do we ever like measure stuff?
I don't even own a tape measure.
So, kind of eyeballed that back into place. Should be good to go. We can't really start it still to test it out because we have no headers at all. Which, I mean, no, we already tried that. It sounds terrible. So, that'll be the end of today's video. I just wanted to get that done before we started doing the headers. We have everything that we need to start getting that done in here. We have a little project box for Myrtle. So, probably start on that really soon. That way we can get those headers nice and lined up. That way we can weld together that new turbo kit. It's moving along nicely. We're taking our time, not really rushing it. That way we can get it done right. Hunter's over there stripping wire, so he really just wanted to say hi in the
Hi.
intro. Yeah.
How you doing?
We're recording. We're hot in 3, 2, 1.
Alrighty, guys. Joe got it all wrapped up, and I really didn't help at all. Like, quite frankly, I've just been living life, doing my own thing. But Joe paused Taylor Swift, so I'm in tune with y'all. And I guess the next step is going to be headers. Joe's going to get a date set, and maybe we're not going to set a date. But next time, we'll see what's going on, and we'll both be working on that. We'll keep you in tune. But thanks, and we'll keep you updated. Y'all keep watching. Thank you, guys.